guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're making homes from the crayfish that we bought.
Dito tignan mo kami, video na kami.
And see, that's the
Here,
home.
dan ka sa harapan namin dyan. Because against the light, that's against the light.
You watch one of my videos, even two of them. And we're gonna make another one.
What are we going to do today?
We're gonna make homes for crayfish. Right, Dad?
Do you have a crayfish?
Yes. There it is.
How many are there?
4.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure there are 4?
Yep. Talaga.
We have to count it at,
Correct ako.
carefully.
Correct nga ako. See?
Ilan na? Tatlo pa lang?
Oh.
I thought it's already 4.
Oh, that's okay because people make mistakes.
Okay.
Prince, alis yung ulo mo.
So, excuse me.
Prince, excuse me.
Oh, there's more.
See? Yung ulo mo. And you watch one of my videos that's catching some fish, guys. And we're in the river last time. Watch one of my
Naiipit
videos.
ano?
One of the dirty ones.
Okay.
Dirty rivers. The dirty
Okay,
river.
I have here the box.
And I'm gonna get the crayfish.
For the meantime.
Okay, ipakita ko yung crayfish din.
Kami ito ano?
Guys, tinan nyo.
Get it.
Tinan nyo yung crayfish. Guys. Nabili namin. Mga naanak.
Oh. Ito na.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh.
See? You said it's 4.
See? They're so big, right, guys? We bought it from the pet shop. And we're gonna put it in their new homes. Right, Dad? Yan na yung tank nila. Malaking space. Kasi nagkakainan sila pag nasa maliit na space sila. Yan na. Good. Ako mag-put.
Wait lang yung ugasan pa.
Puno na ito. Half na. Kalate.
Paano mo ako?
Itapos ko na ba?
Hindi
Okay.
Ito dapat ano.
Let's look at it. It's so big.
Nakunin mo yung mga plants doon.
Saan po?
Nakasupot kagabi.
Okay.
Doon.
Let's go get the decoration for our crayfish. There's our dog. And there's our tank. Tank full of fish that we get, but they're already dead. Sayan ko. Ito guys, yung pagkain ng fish. Guys. Decoration. I know fish na. And that's my brother. He's just trying to get that. Got it!
Put it over the table.
Guys, you love my videos? Videos. What is that? Where's my... Buwang isda yan. Decoration lang yan. Matik na yun. Joke lang. Magdurin muna ako, guys.
What do you call this?
House for a
Kung
crayfish.
nag-vlog ka, kung ano yung ginagawa ko, yung whereabouts, yun yung ano yun mo. Andyan ka naman na.
There. This is my dad.
Bantay ka tayo dito, bantay mo dito yung camera gano'n.
And there's my dad. And there's the bucket of crayfish. And that's my brother. He's using the saw. Wait, what's that?
Ay, kumit ka. Kumit ka, kaya kaya.
Malakas yung sipit yan.
This one is a girl.
Yep.
Show it on the camera.
There it is. Bakit gan, Daddy? Hindi abot ng mga iba yung bahay sa taas. And there it is.
Sakit ng ipit. This one is a boy.
Oh, yes.
Niyo kita nga?
Nabili. Pumpasok na yung isa. Sa loob, oh.
Sabi ka nga.
Saan siya? Oh, pumasok na. Tutulot. Today we're all the fish. Oh, wag yan. Lagyan mo. Pwede. Daddy, pwede.
Show it on the camera. That is how vlogging is.
Hello. See? Now there.
Layo mo Ganyan ba yung nag-review, anak? Hindi na makita yung mukha mo dyan.
No, there it is. Oh, punta na sa bahay niya. Nagawain sila sa loob ng bahay, Daddy. Itapos ko na.
Hindi pa nga tapos
Bakit hindi pa?
Hindi pa nga nalalagyan ng
Ano?
plants.
Oh, yeah. We forgot the plants, guys.
Hindi pa nilalagay yung aerator.
And this is the plants we need. Right there. And that my ground. Wang isda. Decoration lang, mga halaman lang yan.
Halaman?
Oo. Halaman yan, decoration. Prize! Wala, ang pasok. Umalis na siya muna. Guys, you see my dad. Or there. Oh, hi guys. Hello? I'll say that first. Is there? It is dad. And that's my dad. You know it. It's my dad. No. Naipit yung girl daw. Air nila yan? That's the air. Like from the fish. Right? Dad,
Show it on the camera.
I can't because you're in the way. Oh, nagbe-brief yung isa doon. Oh, hi. Oh.
Na, ano dito sa may ano?
Bakit? Maliit na space naman yan. Daddy,
Dito ko sa side natin mag-video.
magkainan sila. Daddy, pag
May mga house naman sila. Saan magkakainan pa?
pag hindi sila mag-awayan, mag-family na lang. Dito, mahalaban. Oo nga.
Excuse me. Tickler mo.
Daddy, gusto ko malaking space yan. Oh, mas maganda.
Wala pa tayong mga bibili dito.
So they can roll free. Malakas.
Yeah.
Daddy, yung decoration. Ah. Whew. Wow. Sana katabi ng yung ng fish, yung crayfish tank. Go. Bilis ang kamay mo. Go.
Mag-excuse ka anak, hindi ganyan.
You can watch one of my videos again by clicking the subscribe button, guys. And you love my YouTube's video? Oh, yum yum. Good. Because we're now gonna get some fish.
Ay, wala naman yung tubig.
Daddy, I know.
Diyan siya?
Oo.
Oh, hindi na siya ma-show.
Take out. Kuya! Ma-stress
You can add
sila. Huh?
You can add more tube.
Pero yung pagkain nila, hindi pa sila
Halika na,
nakakain.
Ano muna tayo?
Ano?
Mag-cut muna tayo ng ano.
Ako maghawak this time.
You are going to have your vlog, diba? Focus on what you're doing.
And the sea again. This was the stronger one.
Excuse me.
My brother.
My brother is holding the...
And go.
We need 2 more.
Para, ay, hindi sila yung crayfish makakyat. Ay, pag mataas na enough, makakyat sa taas, naka-float. Pero paano makababa? Nasisira.
Hindi may ipit na. Diyan. Tignan mo kung ano nakukuha ng camera mo. Hindi yung ano.
Pag.
Patayin mo na.